Hey there, welcome back to my channel Sheikh Stylish Eye. Today's makeup look is for Indian festival inspired by Charlotte Tilbury mesmerizing Indian look but without using Charlotte Tilbury's product. So if you want to know then keep on watching. Welcome with my bare face. So starting my face by prepping it by primer. So primer I'm using today is from Maybelline. Then color correcting my face using LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector to cover my hyperpigmented areas or wherever spots which I need to cover it, and blending with damp beauty blender using tapping motion. For filling my brow I'm using this Music Flower gel liner pack and which has a brow powder. This brow powder is super black, starting with giving a basic shape to my brow, then filling from the center of the brow to the outer edge of the brow. For inner part of the eyebrow, I'm going to give lighter stroke of brush to give natural finish appearance to the brow. And at last give a quick brush with a spoolie. For priming my eyelid, I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer in shade light. Using concealer brush, I'm going to define my eyebrow as well spread that concealer all over my eyelid. The concealer I'm using today is too light for my skin tone because I want the eyeshadow to give more color payoff. Picking this yellowish orange shadow from Shivana color, I'm going to apply above my crease line. Then taking this pinkish brown shadow, I'm going to apply on my outer V corner of my eyelid using small blending brush, and also bringing that shadow to my crease line. Using big blending brush, I'm going to diffuse both the brown and orange shadow properly. Take your time to blend the eyeshadow. There should not be any sharp line or sharp edges between the shadows. I'm gonna take this bluish dark brown shadow to deepen my outer edge of eyeshadow. And from the Makeup Revelation palette, I'm gonna pick orange warm shadow, applying it to above my crease line and blending it as well. Then going to apply this coppery metallic shade over my leftover space of eyelid. For eyeliner, using pen liner from Faces Canada. Starting eyeliner by creating V at inner corner of eye. Then drawing thin wing. Then gradually increasing the thickness of wing step by step. Using wet and wild pulled pencil and applying it on my lower waterline. Back to that previous eyeshadow, I'm going to apply that shadow at my lower lash line. And also picking black shadow with this palette using flat brush, I'm going to apply it at my lower waterline and joining with the wing of my upper eyelid, and also smudging black shadow to the eyeliner. That's all for eye look. Next I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply falsies. Falsies I'm using today is from Nykaa Turn Up the Drama. Applying same concealer under my eye and my highest point of face and blending it with Beauty Blender. Next step is applying foundation, and the foundation today I'm using is from L'Oreal to 24 Hour Infallible Foundation. This foundation is so good and lightweight and has great coverage. It blends so nicely because of its watery consistency and doesn't feel like you have applied anything on your skin. This is my favorite foundation. I highly recommend you to give it a try. For setting under eye, using loose powder from Shivana Colors in shade 2. I'm not baking today, just sweeping slightest amount of loose powder to set my under eye. As usual for contouring, I'm going to use stick foundation from Makeup Revolution in shade F18 to contour my face using angular brush. For giving more warmth to my face, using this orangey warm tone color from LA Girl Pro Contour Kit. The blusher name I picked for this look is Temper from iMagic Blusher Palette. For highlighting face, I picked this jelly highlighter from ELF, and using my finger I'm going to apply it over my highest point of face. Liquid highlighter or jelly highlighter should be blended with finger to give more subtle glow rather than a brush, because brush doesn't blend the liquid or jelly highlighter so well. You can see the stroke of brushes after using brush. I'm going to use this brown lip liner from ADS and hold my lip with this. The lipstick I used is from Sugar Cosmetic in shade Toast Roast. Reapplying lip liner to give more chocolatey color to my lip. And on the top of it applying another lipstick from Streetwear in shade Chestnut Brown. And this is the final look. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please give a moment to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.